Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making a light roux right now. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil or 0.5 tablespoon butter, add 1 tablespoon flour, and whisk until pale and foamy. Use 2% dairy or unsweetened oat milk instead of heavy cream to cut calories while keeping texture. Once the roux is shimmering, slowly pour 1 cup milk in a steady stream while whisking. This prevents lumps and builds a glossy base. Make sure to keep the pan on medium-low, so the mixture thickens slowly without browning. Once the base is smooth, reduce heat and simmer 3–5 minutes, stirring frequently to reach your preferred thickness. Thicker sauces need a bit more time. To add savory depth without excess fat, stir in 1 tsp mustard or 1/4 cup grated low-fat cheese. These amplify flavor so you use less salt. If the sauce feels grainy, whisk in 1 tablespoon skim milk powder or a spoonful of Greek yogurt off heat to add silkiness and body while preserving a healthy profile. To finish, remove from heat and brighten the sauce with fresh herbs, a pinch of lemon zest, or 1 tsp olive oil for glossy finish and mouthfeel. If the sauce becomes lumpy, immediately pass it through a fine mesh strainer or blitz briefly with an immersion blender. This saves texture without adding fat. If it's too thin, return to low heat and simmer to reduce, or whisk in a slurry of 1 tsp cornstarch, dissolved in 1 tablespoon cold water, and cook 1 minute to thicken.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.